Hi mga ka-soldering! For today's video, ang papakita ko namin ngayon ay soldering tip cleaner holder with brass coil. So, meron po tayong dalawang klase ng soldering tip cleaner holder with brass coil. Meron po top S-603 and top S-603-599B. Thin cell tip cleaner, brand Tough, model S-603, origin Taiwan. Handy tip cleaner for more effective cleaning of soldering iron tips over the conventional sponge. The tip cleaner is made from coils of brass. It cleans without water. Simply plunge tab the iron tip in the coils to clean the tip. Will not reduce tip temperature while cleaning. Unlike normal wet sponge, do no water required to keep moist. Handy metallic casing for bench top use. The work is softer than the tip plating, yet harder than the oxidation that forms on the tip. It will not reduce the tip temperature. A great alternative to the conventional damp sponge, may be used as a portable tool holder. Benefits: won't damage your soldering tips. No messy sponge to dispose of. Faster working cycle. Cleaning tip has better heat transfer. Doesn't rust. Stays put on the workbench. Replacement tip cleaner. S-0603 brass coil refill available. Cross-reference Hako cleaning wire 599-029. Notes: cross-reference Hako 599B. Good lower cost alternative to Hako A1561. Cleaning wire. In fact, they are almost the same cleaning wire. Instruction: how to use. 1. Perform solder work. 2. Place the soldering iron on the iron holder. 3. Clean the tip. 4. Perform soldering work again. After finishing one soldering step, place the soldering iron on the iron holder as in it's without cleaning the tip. If the order of step 2 and 3 are reversed, oxidation on tip will be promoted. Kailangan, pagkatapos mo mag-solder, huwag mo muna linisin ang cleaning wire. Ilagay mo lang muna yung iron sa stand. Then, pag magsa-solder ka na ulit, dun mo na lang i-clean yung tip sa cleaning wire bago ka mag-solder ulit. Huwag mo i-clean sa cleaning wire yung tip, then hindi ka pa pala magsa-solder. Mapapabilis ang oxidation ng tip mo, yung solder wire, kasi nag-a-add siya ng plating sa wire, pampatanggal ng buhay ng tip. So, yun guys, makikita po natin dito na ito po yung soldering tip cleaner holder with brass coil.
Ito po pala yung top S-03 na ating model, na ating sample. Ito naman po yung ABC-599B na soldering tip cleaner with brass coil.
Kita ba ito? So yun guys, yun lamang po, and wag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you!
Salamat.